Hello, I'm Todd Cochran, CEO and founder of Blueberry Podcasting, and welcome to part 3 of our podcast AI assistant demo. We're going to start at the homepage of blueberry.com and we're going to go into the dashboard. Once we're in the dashboard of the system, we're going to go ahead and go into the podcast AI assistant. In the previous demos of this, we've already went over the show profile, creating a production. We've talked about pre-planning. We've talked about episode essentials and post-recording outputs that you get. But if you're like me, I am just essentially a team of one. I'm a talent. I'm pre-production. I'm marketing. I really do everything for my show. I do have an assistant. I'm lucky enough that helps me with some pre-production stuff. But the majority of the heavy lifting when it comes to social media and my email newsletter all falls on my head. And many of you are a team of one. Maybe you have a volunteer that helps you. But what we have found is we've created these tools to help you get better outputs, not a replacement for some of the great commercial programs out there like Headliner and other dedicated products for social promotion of your show. But what we have done is really give you the ability to get something quick and have it available to be able to utilize. We're going to start with social media. And as part of the process, when you run the social media tab, it will provide you some outputs for Instagram, for X, for LinkedIn, for Facebook, that you can copy the caption. Now, we do not copy in an image. You have to do that yourself and provide a link to your episode. But this is what it will typically look like on Facebook. This is what it's going to look like on LinkedIn, X, and so forth. So we want to make sure that you understand that we're just giving you the caption to be able to grab, be able to copy that, and then we give you different versions of the caption for each. So across this, you have 20 different social posts that you can make across those platforms, 5 for each for Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Another part of the social promotion is the email section. The email section was the hardest for us to get right. We trained the AI to understand that your audience already knows you. They've already opted in to the email that they're going to get from you. So it's not like they're being introduced to you. We designed the email to be informative and provide your listeners information about the current episode. So in this particular episode, my subject was major breakthrough in AI about Google Gemini wins gold at an international math event. And I call my audience Ohana. So the AI has learned that to call my audience Ohana instead of friends. So it just creates a summary similar to the episode summary, but in a more friendly email format. And at the bottom, it also provides links. It's got my email address. It has my social medias and the ability to subscribe to my show. I would always recommend copying in the episode link to your episode in here when you take this out and put it in your email platform. But this is just an easy way to have a current and ongoing updated email that goes to your audience. One of the cool things that we've come up with as well is the audio clip function. So the audio clip function, what we ask the system to do is to find captivating clips from your episode. And I think it has about a 50 to 60% success rate in finding captivating stuff. And I always find that I'll find a couple that I like, a few that I'll throw away, and sometimes I'll just create a new clip. And when I create a new clip, I have the ability to select within the transcript a segment of audio that I want to share. So again, there's a slider here. You can set the in points and out points. It'll give you the ability to see the text that is being. Let's see, this one here is. Why did it do that? Oh yeah. So let me set something here. So we'll go 200 because it's only showing 1 second of information right now. A 359 to the stew to to 5, and that's 1 minute and 1 second. Now it's going to show you, and I can zoom in to that particular text, and I can decide whether or not this is what I want to share, and I can create an audio clip. And this just allows you to go boom, 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 create a bunch of clips. And once you're done with that, you confirm the clips, and then they become available for you to be able to download. And the download piece is simply just go ahead and grab them, download them, and use them as you want. You can drop them into Headliner or any location. I think I've selected like 10. So yeah. So now it said download all clips. That file will download, and you can drop that into any other editor or just upload a clip to social media. We've also got the ability to make it a little more enhanced. So if I choose this first one, let's just say the future of AI in mathematics. Let's go ahead and create media for this particular. I've actually created this one already. So let's go back and choose a different clip. Let's go down here and create media for Amazon Prime customers being warned. So if I go in here, I've got the ability to select a template. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that template. And then I'm going to put in here as a title, Amazon warning, and maybe no subheader, but maybe what I'm going to do is I don't like that blue. So maybe what I'm going to do is change the blue to, let's just go black. And then the text color is going to need to be changed and change that to white. Let's see what we've got when we save changes here to what the image looks like now. So it's regenerating the preview. Oh, that's what I did wrong. I need to change the waveform color to something here that can be, so now, maybe this is not your gig, but again, you got the chance to play around, replace the image that's being shown. And once that's done, once you've got this, you can then go to export videos, and then you can choose, okay, I want an Instagram landscape. I want a YouTube short. I want an X portrait. I want an X square, and I want a TikTok post. And click export videos. And then what happens is these videos are getting rendered, and you'll get an email in your production inbox saying, hey, and it's about 5 minutes to say, hey, your clips are ready. Go grab them, download them. And what really is awesome in this regard is that very quickly you can have some images or some videos to be able to put up that has your voice, has a little bit of a graphics to it. This is not designed to replace some of the great commercial programs out there that do this for a dedicated, as a dedicated product. We built this so you, as a producer, a single producer, have the ability to get some outputs really, really quickly that you can share. It's no more difficult than what I've just shown you. So if you haven't watched the other 2 videos, go back and look at episode 1 of this series and episode 2. And I think you're going to really understand what we've done here is to give you significant value in giving you outputs that makes your show much richer from a metadata standpoint, and episode titling, SEO for the summary, along with everything else that ties in. Now that I've went over this, feel free to check out Pi. Every customer at Blubrry, whether you're paying for the add-on or not, gets 10 free uses of each of these tools. We want you to use it. We want you to try it. We want you to play with it. I hope you enjoyed the demo. You can always send me feedback at todd@blubrry.com.